Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a 2016 Harley Davidson XL 883 Iron Edition. This Harley is just under 1,500 miles on it, and it's still in awesome condition with a very minor tip over on the right hand side. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. With the lower miles on it, tires are still in good shape, plenty of miles left on them. The one accessory that's been added to it are the grips. Otherwise it comes with factory mid controls as well as a factory solo setup. So it's had the tip over on the right hand side, which got the end of the lever, a little spot on the mirror there, and a spot on the oil tank. But like I said, pretty minor. You can tell by that back tire, good shape, plenty of life left in that. And again, our solo setup. And again, the factory mid controls. And the grip. Alright, show you those miles now. 1454 is what's on it. This 2016 Harley Davidson XL 883 Iron will be going through our pre-sale inspection and will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.